Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a SolidWorks 3D model. It's called V-Belt Pulley, and you can use this pulley in 3D assembling, but now I will show how to make the part of it. And I have made this already, but I will make a new one for you guys. So, and all of it are in ISO and millimeters, so I don't have to change it to inch, pound and second. I will do Revolved Bose base here, so I don't need to draw the whole circles. I have to draw 1/4 of it and I will revolve it. So I am doing the sketch right now, and then I will give the dimension. These two lines are in the same line. Okay, now I'll put the dimensions. I am doing this second time, so the values are I have memorized some values, but for you I will show you. Okay, you can pause here and see the values. So I am dividing them to half because I will simply draw a center line and draw a revolve Bose here. To see a step by step how I do the dimension of it. Inner part is 12.70. The angle is 38 degree. What is the use of V-Belt? V-Belt, this pulley will put the welds in this shape, and the shape of the weld is like V. That's why it's called V-Belt. For this V-Belt, it is 38 degree angled. Now I am drawing a center line inner here because this is a symmetry. It can happen, don't worry. If it happens, you just have to pull it up. Now I will make them symmetry. From the top to the bottom of the V-Belt, it is only 14. So I will put the value. For making it fully defined, I am doing this. The last value is remaining, which one is 45. Now I will give it. It is fully defined, so now I draw the center line and I will exit the sketch. Now I just revolve it, selecting the center line, and it will do the work for me. Okay, now I will do drawing the key. The value of the key is given in the question. You can see this is the key, and it is 68851 DIN. What is DIN? You can find this in the book Mechanical and Metal Handbook. So here we have to find W and T2. The value of the D is 50. We can see here the value of the D is 50. So from the table we can find W and T2. So W is 14 and T2 is 3.8 here. So we draw it accordingly. I am selecting the plane, sorry, I did it again. Okay, let's do upper part. Okay, it is 14, but it is not yet fully defined. Let me check why. Okay, this point is above of this plane. I think they will be in the same plane. It is fully defined now. Now simply draw an arc and make it fully defined by doing this and this circle in the same line. Okay, it is fully defined now. Now we have to do the extruded cut through all. Done. Now there is two M8 holes here. You can also find the values of M8 holes in the book, but you also can use the hole wizard. At first I will make it normal, and I will use the hole wizard, and it is in ISO and it is M8. These are the hole types, different types of hole. Our hole is tapped hole and it is M8. I will select it M8 and I will drill the hole up to next, not through all, for this V-Belt pulley. For making things easy, I am doing one hole at one time, and I will do the another hole to the parallel of front plane. I don't have to change anything now. Yes, it is correct. So basically we are done, but in the question there is showing one cross section view like this. You also can make cross sections by simply selecting the cross section option, and you can show you cross section of it. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye.